is app-controlled. It adopts magnetic chassis, making sure it can be installed anywhere easily. V908 has wider angle of 150° and night vision 30 feet, 9 times longer than normal cameras. V908 adopts a 500 megawatt-hour built-in lithium battery, which can work 2 hours after fully charged. If you need continuous working, please keep it plugged. There are 2 connection ways to the camera. First, connection between router Wi-Fi and the camera. In this way, you can check the live video no matter where you are. Second, connection between the mobile phone and the camera. In this way, you can only watch the live video nearby the camera, which means 300 meters in wide open. V908 magnetic chassis can be pasted on any surface by sticker. You can adjust monitor angle at 360°. Now, take it out with you. For travel, party, or meeting and security, have fun with it.